Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add ads.txt to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at WordPress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have one, create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So guys, let's go and take a look at how to get started. What we are looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to scroll down until you find the plugins section. So go ahead and open up plugins. After opening up plugins guys, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the plugins that you have and that you can use for your WordPress website. And at the top of the screen is going to be a search bar. So we want to use this search bar, and in the search bar you want to search for ads.txt. So once searching for that guys, as you can see, this is now going to give us a result of all the plugins that are related to ads.txt. As you can see, you have your ads.txt manager right here. You can choose whichever plugin you prefer, open up any of the plugins, and guys, now you can get started installing it. So as you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it. If you have any of the premium plans, an install button is going to appear right here. So you can click the install button that you're going to be available to you, click install, comprehend the installation, and just confirm it. And once you have added it to your website, it's going to appear right here. You can get started using your plugin for ads.txt, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.